Rev up your engines. It's time for ScottyKilmer.com. If your car's power steering isn't working right, then stay tuned, because today I'm going to show you how to replace a power steering pump that's gone bad. Now, of course, the first thing you do is check the power steering fluid. But in this case, hey, it's full all the way up to the top. And I've already tried flushing it out to see if there's any crud in the system, but the pump still groans like mad and binds when it turns. So in this case, we're going to have to bite the bullet and put a new power steering pump on. Now we need some working room, so the first thing we're going to do is take this plenum off, unscrew the clamps, and then pull the whole thing out of the way. Now here's the pump assembly, and of course we've got to take the fan belt off. So first we'll loosen the idler pulley, which is right over here. We'll get our wrench and pull on it, and then the fan belt slips right off. Now this is a Cadillac, and it has a special pulley that's pressed on, and you have to take it off to get the pump off, so you need the special pulley pulling tool. It's got a split ring, and it goes on the pulley like this. You put it on, put the ring over, and then slide this piece to hold it in place. Then when you put a wrench on each end and tighten it, it pulls the pulley off, and off it comes. Then you get a pair of pliers and take the hose off. That's the return line to the feeder, and off it goes. Then you have to take the high pressure line off on the bottom. It's got an 18mm fitting, so you need this crow foot because it's in kind of a weird place. There's no room for a wrench. As you can see, it's way down here. So you put the wrench on and you turn it, and then it comes off. Then the rest just unscrews by hand. You can turn it by hand. You don't need the wrench anymore. Then you remove the bolts that hold the whole pump onto the engine. And out comes the pump assembly. Then you get your new pump and put the old reservoir on top of it. The old reservoir just slips on the new one, and the two bolts hold it on. Then you need to put the pulley back onto the pump. You need this special tool for the Cadillacs. It screws in and forces it on like this. The pulley goes on top, then this threads in. Then as you tighten the bolt here, it pulls the pulley onto the pump. Then you put the pump assembly on and bolt it back on, and hook all the hoses back on, and loosen the tensioner pulley and put the belts back on, and fill the reservoir up with fluid. And don't forget to put the plenum back on. Then start up, turn the wheel, no more grinding. So the next time your power steering starts groaning, fix it yourself. And remember, if you've got any car questions, just visit ScottyKilmer.com. And I'll answer them as soon as I get back from the asylum.